Halo semuanya, kita mainin Exist Force lagi. Exist Force, susah banget sih ngomongnya. Kayak di video terakhir kita udah ngalahin si tengkorak itu ya kan. Dan kita sudah mendapatkan kunci. Cuman kunci satu lagi buat apa ya? Kunci pot-pot itu ya? Gue lupa guys buat apa. Cuman ya udah kita story dulu lah ya. Mungkin ntar juga ketahuan. Jangan lupa menjadi kotak. Let's give this a suit. Oh, forgiving dollars. Jangan pot itu yang ini guys, yang hijau-hijau kemarin kita lihat. Yang kayak tabung-tabung gitu. Ntar deh kita balik ya abis ini ya. Ntar aja deh ya. Are you sure this is the chapel? Katanya Sir Raphael, do you remember? I only remember a little bit. Hey, these chairs are really little like their kid size. That must mean what is it when they become a higher rank cleric of the great temple of Valpina go to smaller temples in the countryside. There they teach local children language, songs, stuff like that. I think that's what my mom did here. Anjir, kemampuan membaca bahasa Inggris gua melemah guys. Then maybe Luffy and I did meet your mom. Cecil, where's your first stone? I saw it shine a little just now. Is it reacting to something? Bisa nongol gitu tiba-tiba. Doesn't look like it. I wonder what it was. Wah, tempat baru lagi. Luas banget lagi anjing. Gak ada apa-apa ya. Ih, ngebut banget guys, sumpah. Berasa ngebut gitu gua. Oh my, what happened here? It look like it's been ransacked. I probably went through here while searching for the first stone. We may not be able to find much of anything with it in this state. But like Sis Raelda said, there might be some sort of clue left. We need to look really hard. Inilah, siapa lagi tuh, ya kan? Tadi dulu, tapi hey, I never seen anything like it before. When you work this hymn place. It was in my house since I was born. I used to listen to it all the time. When my mom moved here, I never could find it again. Now I know why. She took it with her. Wow, hey, so how do you work this thing? There's gotta be a switch somewhere, but it's so old it might be broken. Oh well, whatever. It doesn't seem like this would hold any kind of clue anyways. Wait, there is a little groove there. Did it once have something inside it? You're right. It's probably lying around here somewhere, right? It might be, but it doesn't seem all that important. I guess we came all this way for nothing. Do not despair. We must concentrate on getting Lady Cecilia's power back. Hold on, I think I found the piece that fits. Really? Hey Ralu, do you remember this? That's apa ya? Gue lupa lagi. Oh, charm ya, benar-benar yang dia bilang jimat pas awal-awal mau keluar. When my mom became a full-time cleric and got stationed at Ravenna Castle, she left it behind. Really, it's got bahasanya ribet banget dibaca. Unusual shape. Itu adalah bagian yang tidak biasa. I didn't know you had anything like that. Well, it was before I met you, so that's why it's really important to me too. So that's what goes in there. Only one way to find out. Ah, iya tuh kuncinya. Nah, hey, it worked. Wow, that's bring back memories. It's kind of an obscure song too. I've only heard it a few times at the Great Temple. Wow. Hmm. Hmm. I know this song. Really, that's pretty interesting. Not a lot of people know it. Even the cleric at the Great Temple. This is the song a long time ago. Someone sang it to me. This is the song of guidance, right? Yeah, wow, I can't believe you actually know it. My mother loved that song so much. Hymne ya kan, kalau bahasa Indonesia hymne number 13, a song of prayer offered to Saint Palfina. Wih, keluar lagi tuh hijau-hijau, jadi Hulk dia. Hey, the fourth stone. Sick. Wah, di mana nih dia? Oh, what? Where am I? Where's everyone else? Who are you? Wih, siapa itu? Who are you? And this voice, it sounds like it's echoing inside my head. Inside my head gitu. Kalau Tom Dylan bilangnya inside my head. Inside my head gitu. That force, I see you are one of the divine pillar that the creation goddess birth. You are Palfina. Stop echoing in my head and show yourself. I cannot show myself. I'm directly beneath you in the deep of birth where I've been sealed. Ah, ini si yang jahat itu kali ya? Gue lupa namanya guys. I will be decided at the hour of judgment. The depth of birth seal. Where is this place and who are you? The god of destruction. Oh iya, Delgaya namanya, Delgaya, the sealed one. Who's there? Hah? Jangan-jangan itu jelmaannya dia lagi. Wah anjir, ada politiknya juga nih gue lihat. What are you doing here? I was looking for you. You're pretty hard to find, but since you played the song of guidance, I was able to call out to you like this. It's a special song I gave to you a long time ago. Oh, dia yang ngasih guys. He brought me here. Just who or what are you? I'm Pilia. I'm the child of Norvia, the creation goddess and guide to the Hexes. I finally remembered what I'm supposed to do, and that was to bring me here. Now, my duty is to get the 3 divine pillars to receive judgment from the holy vessel. Creation or destruction, the future of birth rests on the wheels of your force. The horse is almost here, so row. Ah, maiden, with your holy staff in hand, it was good of you to come here. I want to ask you, what does destruction mean to you? Destruction? Aduh. Ini ada ini nggak sih? Ada apa namanya guys? Bad endingnya nggak sih? Apa satu ending doang? Gue bilang a bad thing. Isn't that a bad thing? First and Azul, aren't they using the destructive force to do bad things? You say that destruction is evil. Do you believe that destruction should never happen? Do you wish for a birth without the cycle of destruction and creation? Roar! Well done, Pilia, guiding one. I will return my slumber now until the hour arrives. Maiden, I am powerless now, but when I awaken, I may have to destroy this world as the ruler of destruction. But if your true will desires the opposite, then I shall accept that. One on bird, were you hoping to accomplish by having me meet him? I just told you my mission is to lead the three divine pillars to the Holy Land where they will face judgment. Can you explain to me what judgment is in plain language, please? Katanya. It began a very, very long time ago. You whom human broke the law when you gained knowledge from that child Azul. That I mean the god of destruction, god oh ini yang gue lupa tuh, god of destruction sama god of creation ya, satu lagi ya kalau nggak salah. Itu jangan-jangan suami istri ya, bapaknya dia. To punish you all by destroying you, but the people gathered their weapon along with their guardians, the divinities who took the human side, and thus began the battle between the god of destruction and the divinities, the god remorse. The divinities born of the god could not overcome the god of destruction. That's why you guys use the power of the seven monoliths to seal him deep beneath the Tower of Judgment. After the battle, Birth was in shambles. The world would have just gone to ruin if it was left that way. But then Norvia, the goddess of creation, decided to create again under one condition. What was it? The three divine pillars, Palfina, Argan, and Ilnada, must receive judgment from the holy vessel. The holy vessel can see the force within you and judge whether your wills desire creation of destruction. Gitu. This is to make sure that the tragedy of the god remorse doesn't happen again. Gitu. But you didn't wait for the judgment. You've shown a desire for destruction by destroying the monolith. Mana anjir? Yang hancurin siapa? Oh, dia bilangnya manusia ya. Yang hancurin kan si Virtus. But dia kan manusia setengah naga ya. But wait, First and Azul are the one who are destroying the monolith. We've got nothing to do with them. Whining about it won't do you any good. If you truly don't wish for destruction, there's only one thing you can do. Receive judgment from the holy vessel and ensure a future of creation. But that's so unfair. Itu sangat ini katanya, nggak adil katanya. That's all I can really say about it. You should go back now. I return you to the others. I guess this is goodbye for now. Hey, wait. What's the matter? Ada apa katanya? I can't use my holy step anymore. Is there anything you can do about it? Gua nggak bisa ini nih, make holy step gue lagi. Lu bisa nggak bantuin gue? I want to continue being the maiden of the start, but I can't now. I was afraid, so I told Raphael that I was happy to be done with my journey. And well, gitu kata dia. I know that you have strength power, so can you help me? What are you saying? It's impossible for you to lose your holy step power. The holy step Reavolt is a divine instrument. It's needed for the judgment. But I'm telling you the truth katanya. Gue ngasih tahu lu yang sebenarnya gitu. Azul cast some strange force art on me and now I can't do anything. Even Azul could do something like that katanya. But I can't use it. And without the holy step I can't do anything. You haven't yet awakened your truth from. Bentuk aslinya. That's what Azul realized when he met you. What do you mean? Palfina of the Harvest, divine pillar of pearl light, was a gentle girl who loved and protected all things. But I'm what? Kata dia. I'm sorry, I can't do anything for you. But remember this. If you truly wish to regain the power of the holy staff, you must want it. Not because it's your duty or your destiny, but because you truly want to protect something. Katanya kalau lu mau balikin apa holy staff, katanya lu tuh karena lu mau aja gitu, lu pengen ngelindungin orang aja gitu. Jangan lu mau karena ini tugas lu, atau pokoknya jangan pamrih dah gitu. Only then will Palpina force answer your cries. For you are the hexes who has inherited her force. After all, Palpina force, goodbye, Cecilia. I'll be waiting for you at the Tower of Judgment. I wish with all of my heart that you'll get Holy Staff power back. Oh, atau jangan-jangan kunci yang kita dapat dari peti itu buat yang di Tower of Judgment, guys, yang pintu ketutup itu ngerti gak sih lo? Tahu gak sih lo? Hey Ceci, what's the matter? You got real quiet all of a sudden. Huh? Get a hold of yourself, Ceci. We are all standing by you. Oh, sorry, I was talking to Del Gaia. Hah? Pada nggak ngerti dia. Is that some kind of joke? Did I miss something here? Hehehe, or never mind. Sorry for zoning out. So, what's going on? We must return to the Great Temple at once. We haven't found any clues here. Unfortunately, we need to talk sister again. Okay. There was a clue too. Anjing ada tikus, Cok. It was what the father told me. If I really wanted the power of the holy staff, but what did she mean? Saya carefully put the broke di bawah kotak musiknya. Tuh kayak ngebut gitu loh guys jalannya. Oh, ada sesuatu nih. Boleh juga guys. Apakah ada sesuatu di sini? Apakah ada sesuatu? Oh ada. A slumber. Kita disuruh balik ya. Tadi dulu kita lihat lognya dulu. Ke Great Temple. The journey back to the Great Temple of Palpina to ask for guidance. Heal dulu. Save. Dah kok kocak orang gue mau nge-save. Wewe ngedip-ngedip. Oke, segitu dulu aja berarti videonya. Kita lanjutin lagi di next video. Terima kasih sudah mampir. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.